brush past your brown coat and remember your face. You're wearing the check gloves from our first date. I walk past the candle I almost broke last June. I wanted of our future, your half-drunk tea knew. My appeal to your reason is the reason I appeal. Bright lights from on high make a haze around what you understand. Bright lights from on high illuminate a lost land. I want to run, but my feet are weighed down. My doorbell rings, my freedom sound. I pull your dressing gown around me and I'm in your arms. Your cologne is fading, but my love is strong. Letters are piled up high on my bedside table. Hands that once held my waist held this paper. My appeal to